Hi, my name is Omar Aguilar. How you doing? I'm here to tell you about myself. Ever since a child, my fascination with mechanical equipment came to light. I would usually help my dad take a tire off, change the oil in the motor, and I also began to torn apart the Walkman just to learn what made it work. Later, I started to ride a bicycle and skateboard and also torn them apart to maintain them. As a teenager, I attended automotive mechanic school in Mexico. I have always been drawn to work with my hands. Assembly and disassembly, how things work and how to fix them. During this course, we were taught engines, transmissions, brakes, power steering, and electrical systems, as well as introduction to diesel vehicles. While in the military, I trained as a chemical equipment repairer, also having to do with mechanical equipment such as small water pumps and engines, field showers, but mostly electrical components like heaters and water purification system. After training for that, during my first assignment in Germany, my supervisor noticed my ability to work on vehicles, so I got pulled to do mechanic work on military wheel vehicles, servicing small vehicles and big trucks, replacing brakes, performing oil changes, and troubleshooting faults. Shortly after, when I returned to the US and Texas, I decided to evolve into a helicopter mechanic and was admitted to the school in Virginia for the CH-47 cargo helicopter repairer, where I learned the major maintenance of the helicopter and was introduced to the theory of operation. Among the training given, we were also taught how to properly fill and correct deficiencies in the forms given. The maintenance needs to be more meticulous and recorded to ensure all steps of the maintenance were conducted properly. The maintenance needs to be more meticulous and recorded to ensure all steps are followed. My skills as a mechanic shined and was one of the top maintainers of my class. After completing my helicopter repair school, I was sent to Hawaii, then Texas, and Honduras, where I was elected to broaden my skills by flying in the helicopter as a crew member. This in turn helped me understand the capabilities of the aircraft and not only how mechanically works, but also to learn about the different mission set the helicopter can be configured for different capabilities, like transporting of personnel, equipment, paradropping, ladder insertion and extraction, fast roping, open sea search and rescue, and many other. During this period, I gathered over 1,800 flight hours accident-free and the recognition of the Boeing company for safe flight. The last thing I have done while in the military was to be a quality control technical inspector. This was the most critical of all of them. I was now in charge of ensuring the safety of flight for the helicopters and the lives of those in the helicopter, ensuring their equipment was maintained properly, was functional, and forms and records were filled correctly. Currently, I have opted to undergo a military transition program that works in conjunction with a collision company to learn the trade of automotive body technician. This trade is a highly demanding job. The ability to develop attention to detail, synchronization, and manual labor are just some of the cores for the trade. Working not just for the body of the automotive, but obtaining certifications to ensure the work is performed to a higher standard such as welding, plastics, hazardous materials, and a few others. The experience gained throughout the years of these jobs and assignments in various locations of the world have a direct relation. First, the ability to move and adapt to another location and bond with new people. Second, the mechanical skill set, diversity of machinery, and different locations traveled to highlights the vast knowledge and training acquired. The importance of the work done right and compliant to technical manuals and procedures are the most relevant. The efficiency to deliver all of these is a skill set not only learned in the classroom but in real life and actual time, to be a more efficient and competitive asset for any company and the development of their structure as a whole. Thank you.